Okay, I'm redoing the most disliked video I ever created about Samsung Bespoke appliances. I'll tell you the big change that makes it likable. In the end, you'll learn the real problem with Samsung Bespoke and Samsung appliances. The original video talked about kitchen design and how color is traditionally on the range because it's central in your kitchen. Yet Samsung had all the color options on the fridge, which is typically on the outside. But as many of you pointed out, it's a refreshing change in the sea of stainless steel. You can now also customize your refrigerator front with a photo. So if your kids, cat, or that bottle of wine, it can be the front of your refrigerator. What makes Bespoke as a line popular and likable, in my opinion, was the simple addition of white as a color. Now you can buy a legit color. Seriously, the other finishes were Tuscan bronze that nobody buys, scratchable and non-warrantable black stainless that nobody should buy, and blue. That is the 8th most popular color on the list. And white is the new trendy finish, even though it was the new trendy finish when I started in 1986, until stainless became so popular. And now everyone, from Cafe to LG and even KitchenAid, manufacture white finishes again. So let's go over the Bespoke lineup by product. Over-the-range microwaves. Okay, let's not do over-the-range microwaves because they don't work well in any brand. They're low CFM and are 60 inches deep, well short of the 23 inches to that power burner in the front you'll be working on. Samsung dishwashers are good, but the water wall on the high end doesn't wash any better than the others without the front to back motion, while Bosch and Miele do dry better. Look at their StormWash models for a decently more affordably priced dishwasher. You have decent options in induction and gas Bespoke ranges with good output. Induction has a 4,300 watt element, and the gas has a 23,000 BTU burner. Both are extremely high output. The flex oven is a great idea where you can have the versatility of double oven, but also a larger one by removing the rack between. It's a great idea, except you can't reach certain temperatures when both ovens are operating. But that's not the major problem you'll learn at the end of the video. Without question, refrigerators is Samsung's best appliance, and you have a great selection. Sure, they have the Family Hub tablet, but look at the triple cooling model, so you have the flexibility to change from refrigerator, freezer, one compartment, either in a door or separate door type. Their new ice maker seems to be more reliable as well. Plus, you can choose from endless panel options to make this refrigerator unique. Buy them in white or blue for a nice matching set, or defer to the ever common stainless steel as well. Now the problem. Samsung is a reliable brand of appliances, or at least they were, as we only sell their laundry now. They are extremely popular as well. In fact, they are the most popular brand of appliances sold in the United States, with the least amount of service. Before you click off this video, we logged over 100,000 service calls in less than 3 years, just in the Boston area and just with our customers. And service is so hard to find that even LG, Samsung's arch rival, started their own service department a few years ago. GE and Whirlpool have their own as well, but not Samsung, and that's the problem. The product is reliable, but when there are issues, it will be your problem, even with that expensive extended warranty, because there's no tech support. So while you will love the look, be prepared for the issues when they happen, and they will happen. It's just a matter of time. If you want to learn the correct way to apply color in your kitchen, check out this video, and thanks for watching.